welcome back to my channel, and this is my Lamborghini Aventador Canadian edition. That's a 355 25/21 rear winter tire, E-box, V12 engine of course, and a bunch of dirt and salt. And there's more. Velocity AP, straight piped exhaust, because every Lamborghini should have that. So this is my Canadian edition Lamborghini Aventador. You can see the snow shooting up outside the window out here, but it plows through everything. Like, anybody who thinks I'm crazy for driving this car in the winter, you're crazy. This thing does better than four-wheel drive trucks going through snow. It doesn't slide, it doesn't slip, unless you want it to. Kids love it. You see the kids, I don't know if you can see outside, but the kids love it. And this is a great winter vehicle, like an all-around good winter vehicle. Great heat in it. V12 makes lots of heat. And it's like a giant go-kart in the wintertime. It's fantastic. Look at, that guy's not even driving his G-Wagon. We're driving our Lamborghini. I've got Pirelli winter tires on it. The whole car is PPF film wrapped. That's paint protective film. And of course, a ski box. Every winter vehicle needs a ski box. So you guys have seen it on YouTube? Yeah. Yeah, is it pretty cool? Yeah, I'm selling it soon and buying a different one. Yeah.
What are you gonna buy?
Probably a Ferrari. Or like, you know the C8 Corvette, the newer Corvette?
Yeah.
I had one before and I might buy another one. Yeah, I'll do it over there for you.
You guys excited?
Yeah!
Are there 4 or 5? I only got 5.
Okay, check them up.
The other day, just love music.
Oh yeah, perfect. Can you do one more?
Yeah, I'll do one more. One of two things are about to happen. We're either going to find deep snow and be okay, or find deep snow and get stuck. All I heard was, "Arr!" and I was like, I don't know what that was, but I'll figure it out when I get back. Okay, I'll carry it over there. There we go. Snow problem. I know that might look warm, but it's actually really, it's really cold. Here's a good one. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's a winter front. And that's how you do it. Like, you see the tread on these tires? And that's how you get through the snow.